Pakistan. We proudly celebrate the Defense Day of Pakistan every year. The entire world knows that in 1965, how the courageous, fearless and daring tigers of Pakistan Army were planned, organized and took aggression of the enemies. शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल, शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल। वहाँ पर शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पर सब्र मुश्किल था, वहाँ पर शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पर सब्र मुश्किल था। Brothers and sisters, Pakistan was not held as a charity. It was not made to secure land, and it was not made in a day. Pakistan was an result of Islamic ideology. The foundation lies in the two-nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in the efforts of Ali brothers, in the bold step of Maulvi Fazlul Haq, in the dream of Lama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally, the undefeatable leadership of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. त्यागों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, त्यागों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं। खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा, खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा। Respected principle, in the still continue their faith pride of numerous strength in their minds, so their hearts do accept Pakistan's prosperities. In short, they did their best and attacked Pakistan in 1965 with their full might in the darkness of midnight. Pakistan was far scattered, but its people, the Muslims, were one. They fought the enemy of Islam through all units, whether air, water or land. They forced Indian army to feel humiliation. बाजू तेरा तौहीद की कुव्वत से कवि है, बाजू तेरा तौहीद की कुव्वत से कवि है। इस्लाम तेरा देश है तू मुस्तफवी है, इस्लाम तेरा देश है तू मुस्तफवी है। At the end, let's promise together we shall work hard and excel in our fields of learning and warfare. We shall defend our country and raise up our flag forever. Inshallah. I will end of my speech with our poetry verses. वो संगे गिरा जो हायल है, रास्ते से हटाकर दम लेंगे। हम राह वफा के रहरू है, मंजिल ही पे जाकर दम लेंगे।